everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add GIFs to Adobe Express. Adding GIFs to your project in Adobe Express can enhance your design with animated elements so that it can be more engaging and dynamic. So here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your Adobe Express application on your mobile device. And then from the main home page, click on the plus button at the bottom right hand corner. Now go ahead and select the suggested size that you want to begin editing with and upload a media that you'd want to start off with on your project. I'm just adding this random image over here as a background for this project. Once you do that, if you want to add GIF next, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom left again. Now, from the menu, click on Media. In the search box, search for GIFs and select one of the templates for the GIF that you would like to add on your project. After you select a GIF, you will be able to see it on the preview screen. Go ahead and drag the GIF around the screen and place it on your desired location. You can also go ahead and resize your GIF by dragging the edges of it on the preview screen, and you will then be able to add the GIF onto your video, and you will then be able to add the GIF on your project. After you are done adding and positioning the GIF to your satisfaction, save your project the usual way by clicking on this little arrow appearing at the top right facing downwards, and then choose your file format and video resolution at the bottom, and finally click on the download button. While using the GIFs, you can use online GIFs from the GIF libraries such as Giphy. And that is how you can easily add GIFs to your Adobe Express project, enhancing your design with engaging animated elements. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.